Hi, good day everyone. Today we have this question here. They say this line BD and this line CD are tangent to the circle at this point B and this point C. Here, this line AC is parallel to this line BD and this point O is the center of the circle. Find the total surface area of this sector here, colored blue. If the total surface area of the circle is 154 centimeters squared. So how can we solve this? The general formula for the surface area of a sector is theta over 360 pi r squared. Theta is the angle it subtends to the center, which is this angle here. Pi is 22 over 7 and r is the radius. So what is theta and the radius? If you look, since from here, this line AC is parallel to this line BD and this line CD is intersecting both, we know that if any two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the sum of angles formed must be equal to 180 degrees. And that implies that this and this angle here must sum up to 180 degrees. So since this is 40 degrees, this must be 180 degrees minus 40 degrees, which equal to 140. Now let's take it out and write it here, so we can have a clear space to continue solving. So angle ACD is equal to 140 degrees. Now based on the property of a triangle, we know that the radius of a circle is always perpendicular to its tangents through point of contact. Since this is the center of the circle, we can draw the radius now to this point C, which is a point on the circumference of the circle. And based on this rule here, this is a right angle. But recall, this whole angle ACD here is 140 degrees. So since this is 90 degrees, this must be 140 minus 90, which is 50 degrees. Now if you look, this line AO is also a radius because it was drawn from the center. So that means this triangle ACO is an isosceles triangle with this here as the vertex angle and these two angles as the base angles of the triangle. And we know that the base angle of an isosceles triangle are equal, and that implies that this is also 50 degrees. Now since this line and this line are parallel to each other and this is perpendicular to this, because the radius is always perpendicular to the tangent through point of contact, if we extend this line up here now, this must be 90 degrees as well. And since this is 90 degrees and this is 50 degrees, this must be 180 degrees minus 50 degrees minus 90 degrees, which equal to 140 degrees. Because the sum of angles on a triangle is 180 degrees. Now if you look, this angle theta here and this angle 40 degrees are lying on the same straight line. And we know that the sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. So we can form an equation that theta plus 40 degrees equal to 180 degrees. To make theta the subject, we subtract 40 degrees from both sides. Now theta equal to 180 degrees minus 40 degrees, which equal to 140 degrees. So theta now equal to 140 degrees. Substitute it here now. Area of sector equal to 140 over 360 times 22 over 7 times r squared. So what is r now? We don't know. But here they said the area of the circle is 154 centimeters squared. And we know that the formula for finding the surface area of a circle is pi r squared. So we can equate pi r squared to 154. So pi r squared equal to 154 centimeters squared. Pi is 22 over 7. So 22 over 7 times r squared equal to 154. Now if you look here, since area of sector equal to 140 over 360 times 22 over 7 times r squared, and here we have the value of 22 over 7 times r squared to be 154 centimeters squared, we can just go ahead and substitute it here. Now area of sector equal to 140 over 360 times 154, which if you press your calculator equal to 59.8888, approximately equal to 59.8. So area of sector in blue equal to 59.8 centimeters squared. Thank you.